Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick, and in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you how to buy CUE on Bybit. So let's get started. So first of all, click on Assets at the top right, and now go to your funding account. So if you have USDT right here, you need to click on Transfer for USDT and transfer your USDT from your funding account to Unified Trading. And after that, you'll see your USDT coins on Unified Trading account. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so it means that now we can easily buy CUE. To do it, click on Trade, just hover your mouse over Trade and find here Spot. Okay, and there are a lot of pairs, for example, Doggy, Bitcoin, Ethereum, but in our case, we need to find here CUE USDT. Click on it. Okay, and also you can find this pair right here. Just search for the necessary pair. On this page, you can find the current price, 4.4, and of course you can buy this coin and sell. On the right side, click on buy, select spot. After that, click on market to buy for market price, and after that enter an amount in USDT. So if you want to buy CUE for $1, just enter here $1, and after that just click on buy CUE. Click on it. I agree. Read this carefully, please. And of course, click on yes. Click again and buy CUE. And that's all. Go back to your Unified Trading account to be sure that these coins on your account. Yeah. You of course can sell these coins. Just go back to CUE USDT, click on sell, market, drag this slider to the right to sell all your CUE coins and click on sell. It was a short video about how to buy and sell CUE on Bybit. Hope it was helpful. Like and subscribe, and of course leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.